Hi everyone and welcome back to Gobble Up. Today I'm going to show you how to make an all-time favorite dish called fried chicken. So let us begin our recipe. So I've taken the following ingredients to marinate the chicken and I will let you know the quantities as we go along. So for this I have taken 500 grams of chicken. I've taken the leg pieces and I've given them small slits. This is basically for the masalas to penetrate into the chicken. So I will begin marinating by adding the ginger garlic paste. I've taken 1.5 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, around 1.5 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. I've taken 2 teaspoons of dhania powder, 2 tablespoons of curd to give it that slightly tangy flavor, salt to taste. I've taken about half a teaspoon of salt, a pinch of tandoori color. This is purely optional. You could even put haldi instead if you want to, and 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. Now this is all. We just coat all the chicken pieces well with this and leave it for half an hour to 1 hour. Oh, I forgot to add the lemon juice. I have taken the juice of half a lemon and I have added into it. Now in a kadai, take some oil. We have to deep fry these pieces. And to coat it, I have taken half a cup of maida and 1/4 cup of corn flour. So this is what we're going to coat the chicken with, and we have to really coat it well because we are not adding any crumbs to this. So the chicken has been marinated for about an hour. I've taken it out of the fridge and now I'm coating each piece with the mixture of corn flour and maida. And make sure every part of the chicken is coated well. Just keep patting it and making sure that the maida gets nicely coated on the chicken. Just take out any excess maida that you have. Just keep patting it, taking out the excess maida and making, kind of tightly putting it around each piece. Because we don't want the maida to start coming apart as soon as we put it in the oil. So once the oil is hot, fry these pieces of chicken. The oil should be on medium heat, because not only does the chicken have to be red from outside, it also has to cook and become tender. And don't put too many pieces of chicken together in the oil. It just becomes very difficult to manage them. So 1 to 2 pieces should be good enough. While this is being cooked, we will start coating the other pieces of chicken as well in exactly the same manner. So I've taken one more piece and I'm coating it with the mixture in exactly the same way. This is an excellent snack to have over an evening. There, I'm coating it once more, making the coating nice and thick, taking out all the excess maida. And I am going to deep fry this as well in exactly the same manner. We can already see that the previous piece of chicken is turning nice and red. I've added the other one also. It will take about, I think around 7 to 10 minutes for the chicken to become tender as well as turn red. See, this one looks done. So I'm just draining out the excess oil and just take it out on a kitchen towel or a tissue to drain out all the excess oil. In the same way, I did all the other pieces. Now arrange them in a plate in whichever way you wish. I've sprinkled some chaat masala on it, and I'm putting just little rings of onion on each piece. Of course, you can put anything you like. If you want to put dhania patta, you can put dhania patta. You can sprinkle red chili powder, whatever you want to do. And there, your dish is ready to be gobbled up. And if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.